Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock car speakers sound better. First, carefully examine your existing car audio setup. Check the condition of your speakers and wiring for any visible damage or loose connections. A simple inspection can reveal issues that degrade sound quality. Next, dive into your head unit settings. Experiment with the equalizer to find a balanced sound profile that suits your musical preferences. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Once you've optimized your current setup, consider upgrading components. Swapping out old factory speakers for new, more efficient ones can dramatically improve sound. Look for speakers with good sensitivity ratings. Also, applying sound deadening material inside your car doors will minimize vibrations and road noise, allowing your speakers to perform much clearer. Finally, a dedicated amplifier can deliver the clean power your speakers need to truly shine. To further enhance your audio experience, think about adding a subwoofer. Even a small, powered subwoofer can provide that missing low-end punch, making your music feel fuller. For ultimate control, a digital sound processor, or DSP, allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your sound, creating an immersive soundstage. Don't forget about your wiring. Upgrading to thicker gauge speaker wires ensures maximum power transfer and better sound clarity. Now for the final touches. Properly setting your system's crossover points is crucial. This ensures that bass goes to your subwoofer and highs go to your tweeters, preventing distortion. Take your time to listen to different types of music, making small adjustments until everything sounds perfect. Remember, a well-tuned system delivers an incredible listening experience. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.